Today I'm excited to show you the new ProLED Select EdgeLit Panel Series. This innovative, low-maintenance fixture provides an architectural, modern solution to replace expensive fluorescent luminaires. This fixture features an even edge-to-edge light output with no shadowing or dark spots. The high CRI and low glare output sets the perfect working environment for all commercial and industrial spaces. The ProLED Select EdgeLit panel housing is made of a robust extruded aluminum with a white powder coating. It features a PMMA light guide for quality optical performance and a durable diffused polycarbonate lens to keep the glare output to a minimum. The backside of the fixture features a 0.5mm thick backplate, which adds stability to the fixture. This is also the location of the accessible driver compartment and large junction box, which includes multiple knockouts to assist in easy installation and servicing. The 1x4 and 2x2 offer selectability between 25, 30 and 40 watt, with lumen packages as high as 4700 lumens. The 2x4 panel offers selectability between 30, 35 and 45 watt, with lumen packages up to 5500 lumens. They all offer the same colour selectable options at 35, 4 and 5000K. All the selectability allows us to offer the customer 27 different product options in just 3 SKUs. The ProLED Select EdgeLit panel features top-end performance and functionality, making it one of the most versatile LED panels on the market. For more information on the new ProLED Select EdgeLit Panel Series, visit our website at halcolighting.com or find us on social media.